Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can form an LLC in VERMONT. So let's start. Now, the first thing that you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link on LegalZoom. LegalZoom is one of the best sites for creating and just starting up LLC and have everything figured out. And I really like LegalZoom for one reason, is that for me, I'm an entrepreneur for like 8 years already. And for me, it's really important to have all the accounting, all the business stuff just covered by someone, and I can actually focus on the business. And this is what I recommend for everyone. Just pay whatever price for good quality, how to start, as like it's going to be fine, and then just focus on the business. Now, what you want to do is just simply click here on LLC, and the first thing that you're going to do is just start a business with confidence and just call your LLC Marcus Tonelius, right? Check availability. And now when we got it, just enter your state, Vermont. Then just click search here. And now great news. Okay, just add email address here. Get my LLC. Now we're passionate. When do you want to launch? Let's go with it soon. Okay, continue. And now, is Marcus Tonelius your first LLC? Let's go with a yes. Or like if it's not, it's no. It's like up to you. And what you will do, I'll just write here e-commerce. And now continue. Will Marcus Tonelius have employees in the first year? Let's go with the no. Essential services Marcus Tonelius. First, registered agent, then some address, service for state and card documents, and then legal documentation. Okay, see essential services. And now relax with our registered agent. This is what I recommend. Just like choose and solve everything with LegalZoom, and you're good to go, and you don't have to worry about anything. So this is really important. Now continue with the LegalZoom. And now first you have option to have an operating agreement, or like have a complete coverage. That's what I recommend to do. Or let's go back, complete coverage, or you can go recurrent operating agreement and licenses. And you can really choose like which one you actually want. And you got like, this is the same thing, but you have more like information about it, right? So I recommend going with a complete coverage, but that's me, because just I want to have everything covered. You can choose which one you want. So only because the first in the operating agreement, you're not going to have this for, you can file taxes and open bank account. But now when you would pay everything, federal, state, and local permits and licenses, you got everything covered, and you just like can easily start a business. Now let's go with this one here, the complete coverage. Business services Marcus Tonelius. See business services. And now legal protection, legal protect for Marcus Tonelius, affordable protection, legal guidance, go unlimited. And you can actually like communicate with LegalZoom support and attorneys what you should actually do. Now take my included trial or no thanks, again up to you. I'm going to do the no thanks now. Now total compliance, failing to stay compliant with the state of Vermont can remove the protection of your LLC and expose it to personal risk. Again, if you want to, that's like really up to you. If you actually need that, I'm going to do the no thanks right now. And now you can see it here, just unselect LLC package below and you're all done. So first you have the Express Gold, VIP service 7 days a week, 10 business a day, or like how fast do you actually need it. Then you have like the standard version here. I didn't want to click on it. Express Gold, standard, or economy. And you can see it here. VIP processing, priority filling, express shipping, lifetime customer support if you would choose the Express Gold. Again, up to you which one you choose, which one you actually need. Maybe you don't need it straight away, so you can go with the economy or standard version. I'm going to do it standard now. I mean, the difference is not huge between Express Gold and standard, so it's like you can actually choose the Express Gold here. And now let's click here. Now you can also create in Bank of America your bank account, but let's go no thanks. And then you're gonna see the checkout here. So you're gonna pay $673, and it's like you got everything, literally everything figured out, everything paid for you, and you don't have to worry about anything. Now you can simply pay in one payment, just add here your first name, last name, and they will send you an email and you get to go. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you, and have a great day and goodbye.